attention, please. All right, good. Thank you.
Now what are you going to make?
I'm going to make it hot mocha. Actually,
Hot
now
mocha?
Yes, I got one order hot mocha regular size. So
How do you make this one? Now we can see, right?
yeah. This is here go espresso shot and then chocolate, premium chocolate powder. One is called
Okay. After that have to be
steam milk.
Milk.
Very well. Actually, hot latte art. All the latte art is all about steam milk. You have to steam milk very properly, then you can make it latte art.
Okay. So we are waiting for that. I think now you are making this. Now he is going to steam milk.
Right.
Now,
You put some milk and mix it as well with the espresso.
okay.
Okay. And then heat like this. Make a good suction. And then go like this. Alright. Go.
No, I think
One more.
it will be better.
One more. And then just like this. Here you go.
Oh, looks
Yes.
very beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So now I can
Very
say like
easily.
that.
I just
He is the perfect barista here.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Salman here. I am a barista at Gloria J's. This is my friend Shipa. Shipa, say something about yourself.
Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, we are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, I'm here junior staff. He is my senior staff. Actually, he taught me so many things here. So that's why I'm appreciate it. So I know that everyone is pretty well, right?